bila kupoteza muda, sasa na mwakilishi kutoka Sasati aseme jina lake na pesa yake, alafu nitapatia mmoja aongee tumalize nafasi yetu.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. On behalf of my principal, Sakari Uget, I want to say that we want to wish the last year's candidates well for doing well, and I want to encourage the current students to do better. In addition, principal sent a message that on July 30th, there will be a funds drive in school in aid of the school for the construction of the dormitories. So you are called upon to give support. So Society Secondary School has sent some things small for you, and it's here with me. Thank you so much.
My name is Moses Ayanda, the Deputy Principal, Mr. Nyandusi Kesicho, on behalf of my principal, Madam Ruth Obaga. Equally, we want to wish the last year's students who did well. We want to wish them the best as they proceed way ahead. And we also want to wish the principal and the students who are here, who are going to undertake the exam this year, all the best. I was given a bahasha here. I will give it to the person in charge. At the same time, we also have the same function come July 20th, so you are most welcome.
Thank you. I'm James Kinanga, Principal Masimba High School. I want to say congratulations to the students of last year who made the school proud. To the candidates of this year, we also wish you well, work hard, and outshine those who did last year. I have something small and give the principal. Thank you.
For protocols of service, good evening. I've been sent by my principal, Mr. Evans Nyamari, from the Penn Senior Secondary. He had some commitments, he was to be here, but he had some commitments. Madam now deputy. So I've got an envelope to present to the school. I congratulate those candidates, the last year candidates who are made the school proud. I wish you well.
Okay. Wageni, wazazi, wenzangu, wanafunzi, amjambo. Amjambo tena. Naitwa Mwanja Bongonta. Students, what was the mean last year? What was the mean last year? I'm asking those people. Give me a chance with them. What was the...
Mwingine ambaye alikuwa hapa anaitwa Kangwana Richard, baada kunongonezana. It's your turn. Richard, it is your turn. Kangwana.
Asante, Chairman. You are ambushing me. You can't even leave me to greet. Okay. May I take this opportunity to maybe first I would like to thank our principal of this school, the board of management, wazazi, wanafunzi, my colleague principals. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, wanafunzi. Naonekana muongee, mko na njaa? Mimi sijakuja na chakula. Tumekuja hapa kwa ajili yenu, kwa hivyo mnatakiwa kufurahi na njaa mpaka dakika ya mwisho. Ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kwa niaba ya shule yangu ya Viuri Mixed Senior School kujiunga na nyinyi rasmi hapa kama majirani zangu hapa, ili tuweze kusherehekea pamoja sherehe ambayo inahusu matokeo ya mwaka jana, vile mambo ya kielimu katika shule hii. Nafikiri mimi si mgeni hapa, nimekuwa hapa. I think I'm the longest serving deputy principal in this school kutoka the year 2003 mpaka the year 2012 January. So I know this school. I also helped them to make sure that it is a school. Those days, my senior was talking in Misorule. Hiyo shule wakati nikiingia ilikuwa na shida nyingi, hata fence haikuwa, kulikuwa na kichaka hapa, bado nasumbuana na watu. But we thank God that tulisaidiwa tukaweza kuweka wanafunzi katika nidhamu na wakaanza kufanya vizuri katika mtihani. Kwa hivyo yale ambao mnaendelea wakati huo, tunawatakia kila laheri, mfanye bidii zaidi